Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're gonna be tricking the girls. I don't want to say this too loud because I don't want them to hear me because they're in their room. I usually don't film while the girls are here. I usually only film when they're with their dad. So it's very rare for them to be here while I'm actually filming right now. So they're right over there in their room. I told them to be a little bit quiet, and I told them if they're quiet while I film this video, we'll go get Dairy Queen. But what we're really doing is doing my makeup ugly on purpose. I'm not trying to say this too loud, to see if they notice, okay? We're about to get real ugly right now. Zara's actually the one that clocked me for my Fenty foundation match in the first place. I remember like a year ago when I was using the Fenty Pro Filter, like the original matte one. And if you haven't seen my review for the luminous one yet, check it out. I remember having to get a shade darker than my usual shade because I had ran out and it was a warm tone. I walked into my living room thinking I was about to look real fly, thinking I was going about my day, I was feeling myself, and Zara looks at me dead in the face and goes, "Mommy, what's on your face?" And I'm like, "What you mean? This fly look?" And she goes, "You orange." I was never more thankful for the truth and also slightly hurt as I was that day. It's gonna be like the quickest little tutorial. Yeah, this thing's gonna oxidize. Watch it be like a perfect match now, and it's like lovely and beautiful and it just looks flawless. We can't have that right now. So I've seen a few of these videos floating around lately. I saw Alyssa Ashley do one to her sister and it's just hella funny to me. Bringing down the foundation to the neck. Never heard of her. I don't think I have any super light concealer, so I'm gonna use this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. These are actually pretty bomb, so this is what we're gonna do for concealer. Oh yeah. That's it. We got that Kim K highlighted under eye. I'm gonna hit it with a little setting powder. For what purpose? I don't really know. I try to do like a super dark brow. This is in the shade Black Brown, the Brow MVP from Fenty. So we're gonna do like a dark brow. Just go to town. For no reason. Ooh. She said 2012. Dang. Who am I kidding though, really? Because I know I didn't have this much brow hair in 2012. Super fly. Throw a little blush on. Or a lot of blush on. I just want y'all to know, in high school I was a blush whore. Oh my god, like, somebody tell me put the blush brush down. Like, my cheeks were already chubby, but the blush was not helping. I'm honestly speeding through this right now. Like, maybe this should be my everyday routine. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and just do like pink. Kenzie will love it. My hands tell me blend. That's just what they say. Oh, we're here. Let's just do some full freckles. Sister James who? Okay, that was a close call. Since this is obviously a pink look, do some pink highlight. Like, obviously when I think of ugly makeup on myself, I think pink, because I do not like pink on myself. Like, even just putting this hot pink lip liner to my lips right now is making me feel nauseous. She is a look. I think at this point I put myself through enough. So I'm gonna back the camera out a little bit so when I bring them in, you'll be able to see their reaction. Girls! Are you, come here! guys almost ready? I'm just finishing up filming. I was gonna just do like the outro, like the bye guys part. So.
What's on your lips and on your cheek?
It's lip gloss. And then blush. Do you like it though, or?
I think it's
Do you think I'm beautiful? What do you think, Zara?
Orangey.
I look orangey? I do?
I think I can do makeup like really good.
There you go.
I did it perfectly. I did your eyelash. This one, like your eyelash one, like this was really good right here.
Is my eyelash on?
Yes, it's pretty.
It's not. Does it look like? Is it on my eyelash or not? Like the freckles though?
Yes.
My eyebrows look good.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You can tell me the truth.
Yes.
You can tell me the truth. Go ahead.
I'm serious. They are.
Would you like me to do your eyebrows like this? You would?
Love you.
You're just being sweet. I gotta tell you guys something.
What?
This is actually a prank.
It's the makeup fake.
What do you mean fake?
No, Zara said that. I don't know.
Oh, what do you mean fake?
I don't know. Makeup fake!
Like, does this look how you?
Don't do your makeup like this.
Why? Why does it look different?
Because right here, it's like right there.
The prank is that I did my makeup bad on purpose. Because I thought you guys would call me out on it. You guys were going to let me go out like this? You guys are going to let me go to Dairy Queen like this and pull up?
Yeah, you look.
You just told me that my makeup. Tell me the truth.
Yes, you look pretty.
Why are you covering your mouth? My cheeks don't look bad. Do they look crazy? Do I have a lot of blush on?
A little bit.
It's a little bit a lot.
Yes. Your lips don't look crazy.
They don't?
No.
You like it?
Yes, because they're on like. There's a little bit not on your lips.
There's a little bit that's not on my lips?
Yes, on the bottom.
This was a little bit of a flop. They think the look is cool, or they're lying to me and they're just trying to play me right now instead of telling the truth.
Twin.
Hey guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if there's any other videos that you'd like to see us all do together. And we will see you guys next time. Bye guys!